One of the services that we offer at Modern Tool is lathe bed regrinding. And the machine that you're seeing in this example video is actually a customer's property. They sent it to us in order to be reground. One of the things about our regrinding service is that because it's not done on a production basis where it's rushed through in a factory setting, one of the processes that is undertaken also is that the carriage of the lathe wears as the same time as the bed. So we have it machined, and then we replace that material with turkite, which is a low friction material, and therefore your lathe will last much longer. We can guarantee that your lathe will be as accurate or more accurate than it was when it was brand new.